Split ends can make your hair look damaged, but there are simple methods to trim them and achieve a healthier appearance. To remove split ends without losing length, start by sectioning off about 1 inch of dry hair, twisting it tightly to expose the damaged ends, and snipping off approximately 0.5 centimeters of the split ends with sharp shears. You can repeat this process on neighboring sections, twisting in opposite directions for thoroughness. For best results, ensure your hair is straight and dry. Alternatively, working with damp, brushed hair can help straighten wavy or curly textures for easier trimming. Keep track of the trimmed sections with clips to avoid confusion as you work your way around your head. To give yourself a more thorough trim, start with damp hair and brush thoroughly to remove any tangles. Separate a 1-inch section of hair, sliding your index and middle finger down the length to the bottom of the strand, until there's only about 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters of hair left sticking out between your fingers. Cut 0.4 to 0.8 inches, 1 to 2 centimeters, off the ends of the section of hair, making the cut perpendicular to the strand of hair so that you get an even cut. Repeat this process on sections all around your head, using the previous section as a guide to cut everything to the proper length. Continue sectioning off and trimming new strands until you've removed all of your split ends.